In this problem, they ask us to find the indicated area under the curve of the standard normal distribution and then convert it to a percentage. So I'm starting off with a drawing of the standard normal distribution, and I can label the horizontal axis, which is my z-axis. So we labeled that with z-scores. So 0 in the middle, and then 1, 2, 3 on the right-hand side, and -1, -2, -3 on the left-hand side. We want to find what percentage of values would fall between -1 and 1. So I'm going to mark off that area. And that gives me a rough idea of what we're talking about here. So this is a pretty good size area. It's not small. Whenever you have an area in the middle, it tends to be reasonably large. So that's the area that we're talking about. We want to know what percentage of the total area that is, and that corresponds to the probability of finding a value between -1 and 1. So how do I calculate this? What I'm going to do is in the graphing calculator, I'm going to use the normal CDF function. And I do that by pressing second and vars. And this will be the second choice. The first one is normal PDF. And in elementary statistics, it would be very rare to, most likely never, a function that you would want to use. So number 2 is the main one that you're going to be using, and that is our normal CDF function. And what we do is we put in our lower or left-hand boundary, then the upper or right-hand boundary, and then the mean, and then the standard deviation. So for this particular problem, I'm going to do normal CDF. My lower boundary is -1, and my upper boundary is +1. The mean is 0, and the standard deviation is 1. So when I put that into the calculator and I press enter, I'm going to get 0.6827, and then we convert that to a percent and make it 68.27%. And that's your final answer.